Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Gizzy today and we have an unboxing video, and you can guess it's about Gucci. And I know this is becoming very trendy right now, and I'm being loving everything that they come up with. And this is my first purchase, so this is actually the first Gucci that I own, and I was very excited to get it. I wasn't sure if I was gonna be able to find this at all, because it's been one of those things that is trendy and everybody is getting it, and it's really hard to find. So let's unbox this. I already opened it, so I'm just gonna share with you guys what it looks like and my story behind this handbag. So let's open it. I was able to find this handbag through Nordstrom, and I called my store, and they said that they didn't have anything, but that they were looking to see if they could find anything, and they found one in Texas, so they were able to place the order for me and ship it second day, and I didn't have to pay an extra fee for that. They sent a really nice note for the purchase and a thank you as well. So let's see, and here is the dust bag with the handbag. And when I ordered it, I asked if they were gonna send it with a box or not. They said they weren't going to send it with a box, but actually they were able to send it, and I received the dust bag and the box, and it's a very nice dust bag. And here it is the Gucci Super Mini Marmont, and is the called Porcelain Rose. Porcelain Rose, I believe that's the name of the color. And this retails for $890 plus tax. And here's all the information about the handbag. So as you can see, it's like a nude color. Some websites have it as a taupe color, and then it has the antique gold in the giggies, and then it has a really cute heart in the back of the handbag. It doesn't have any fit. It's like this, and then when you open it, then you can find the Gucci in the closure right here. So then we have a strap that comes with the handbag, and this is a pretty long strap. I have to say that it hits me lowest than my waist, so it goes it's pretty long, and then it's a nice strap. I find that a little heavy, but not too heavy, and then it's very nice. Then you can also remove the strap, and it has a nice color inside. It's like a microfiber, and then you have the Gucci tag inside. Then you can see the Gucci right here as well, where you can place your keys at. And then you can also make this bag like a waist handbag, fanny bag, or bum bag. It looks like it's becoming a trend right now, and this is one of those handbags that you can make it into that. And what I have to say about this is that I was very excited to get it, and I was waiting to receive it, to be honest with you guys. But unfortunately, I was disappointed. The first thing is the actual closure. It has some marks around it. I think it's kind of hard to close it without having anything inside. So when I received it, I couldn't, believe that because it looks like it was a return handbag. And then it has a dent on the side, and then when you close it, it has like a big hole right here. So it has the dent right here. I don't know if you guys are able to see it. Then it has the marks on the closure around it. And then I'm going to return this handbag. However, I would love to get the bag in a perfect shape, you know, like this. So it's a beautiful color. I loved the color. It's like a perfect nude. It's not too dark, it's not too bright. It will go with everything. I believe it's more like a casual bag. I think I wouldn't use it for like a wedding or anything like that. It would be more like a casual bag, an everyday bag, and that's what I wanted it for. And I'm very happy with the color and the size and everything, but I'm not happy with the actual bag that I got. So I am not happy with the bag that I received, and I will be returning this one and hopefully being able to find one. It's this handbag, the color, it's very hard to find. It's like there's a waiting for this bag until June. Even Nordstrom doesn't have anything right now, so I haven't been able to place an order for another one, but I will be returning this one. And to show you guys how long is the strap and where it hits me, I'm 5'4" and I'm kind of petite, so if you guys want to see, this is where it hits me. And it's, you know, it's long, but it's good. It's a good it lays very flat, and then you can also put it in your shoulder like so, and then you can actually do like a cross inside, so you can put one strap and the other strap like this to make it smaller. Close it once again and then make it smaller, and then it will hit me a little taller. Close it around my body. It will hit me right there. It's very nice. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but it will hit me right there. And then you can also close it one more time. Close it, and then you will have the little thing right here, and it will look very nice, like kind of like a Chanel handbag. And then put it again in my body, and it will go around there. So has a different ways to put it, and you can also put it around your waist, like I said. So I believe in order for me to do that, I will have to take one strap out and put it around my waist. So I might do that, and I'll put a picture so you guys can see it. But this is the handbag, and I think it's a really lovely color, and I don't like the fact that they send it like this, because it's kind of disappointed that you're hoping to use it and you're not able to take it out or anything, because you're trying to find the other one. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to be helpful, and if you're looking for the handbag and you find something like this and it has a dent or it has the closure like that, maybe it will give you some insight so you can make a better decision on whether to keep it or let it go. So thank you again, and have a great day.